Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about right now is the Method Wood for Good polish. Yes, now this is a polish that is awesome for wood. Absolutely awesome for wood. It conditions and it revitalizes the wood and makes it look like it's brand new. Absolutely, it really shines really nice, and it cleans, and it just makes it the luster that comes out in the wood after you put this on there. It's really nice. I like it a lot. I got turned on to this about 3 years ago when I was looking to do my cabinets, and actually I wanted to change the color and everything on my cabinets, and because I didn't like the wood and the wood finish on there, I didn't like how it was looking, and someone told me that it was because it was the shine and everything was not coming out on there, but if you shined it up real good it would look really nice. And so I got some of this that I just plucked randomly off the shelf, and I did it. I shined it up, and you just put a little on like a rag, like I have a paper towel here, but you spray a little on to say the rag, shake this, make sure it's nice and mixed up real good, and you spray a little on there, and then you just wipe it onto the surface, and you get a really nice luster that comes through. See that shine? Yeah. And you polish this on there, and it brings out a really nice revitalization of your wood cabinets. Yes, and it makes it shine. It really does. It's good. And what happens is it conditions it also, so it leaves it in like a protective state, so it doesn't start to look dry and kind of not so nice anymore. It keeps that real luster and shine to it, and it makes it seem really good. Now, what you have to understand though, that this is for cabinets and only cabinets. You're not supposed to use this for your floors or anything like that. This is just for wood cabinets. Yeah, you shouldn't use it on any unsealed wood, and when you use it, you should use it on a inconspicuous piece of wood first, just to see how it will work on the wood that you're using. So yeah, you should do that. But I had a really good experience using it, and it worked very well for me. I used it for all my cabinets in my kitchen, and it came out really nice. After I did that, I polished it up really good, and after I looked at it, it was really shiny. Looked very new. It looked like I put a new shellac over the whole thing. It was shiny, and I can't believe I was gonna actually paint the whole thing over again and do all that work. But yeah, all it needed was a nice good polishing, and it really worked well. I was very pleased, and yeah, I've used this for a while now, and I do this again with my cabinets about maybe once every 4 months goes by. I'll give it the wets over again. It doesn't take very long, and it's not a really harsh process that you go through trying to do this. So yeah, it works really well. And this is for the Almond. Yeah. So yeah, I really think that you will get a lot of good use out of this. It is really nice on your wood finish. It really brings out that luster. It really leaves a nice shine just like you like. And I mean, it took a long time before I actually did something about my wood on my cabinets. I mean, I was just looking at it, looking very dull, looking for a long time. And it was a real relief to get something like this. And it shined it up really nicely. And it was just a relief. I really like this stuff a lot. And the bottle, you can see, well, I don't know if you can see it, but it's almost empty. There's only a little bit left in there. So I'm going to have to go get another one. Yeah. All right. Well, that is the Method Wood for Good Polish. Conditions and revitalizes. I hope you guys use this information. All right. And I'll see you again soon. Okay. Bye-bye.